Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for August 3rd. We are looking at the the US Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down, did have a small range considering the candle to the upside and the downside, the wicks on those. We are looking for this pair to continue its move to the downside, potentially, however, going up to 77.76 on a reversal, possibly going down to 76.41. Look for some resistance around 77.55 and look for some support around 76.75. Now the EURUSD pair, this pair closed up during this last session, is moving sideways overall long term. Look for it to potentially go as high as 145.21, possibly as low as 140.60. Look for some resistance around 144.50 and look for some support around 142.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair continues to move sideways. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 165.87, possibly as low as 161.81. Look for some resistance around 164.75 and look for some support around 162.20. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up during this last session, is moving down as you can see. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 178.32, possibly as low as 0.7552. Look for some resistance around 0.7775 and look for some support around 0.7600. Now, what am I looking for? Well, first let's talk about news announcements. We have the pound releasing their Bank of England asset purchase targets for August. Consensus on that is that it's going to hold at 200 billion. Bank of England rate decision tomorrow at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that they're going to hold rates at 0.50%. We also have the European Central Bank releasing their rate decision at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that one is that they're going to hold rates at 1.50%. Keep an eye on those news announcements. Interest rates can be very, very big news announcements. All right, now as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, we're looking at the New Zealand US dollar pair. This pair, I've drawn some trend lines and just lines in general. If we get a move to the downside, I do believe we will look to sell. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see kind of where I drew these lines from. Basically looking to sell right around the 0.8600 mark. Right under that, actually, I want to get past that 00 mark by at least 3 pips. Then look for it to come down to the 0.8557 mark, roughly grabbing about 40 pips or so. So in this one, looking to grab about 40 pips. Let me zoom back in. You can take another look at it. Basically looking to sell right here and then looking to buy back right here, exit the trade for about a 35 to 40 pip move. Hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.